Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I just want to unbox my KY wireless microphone. You can see this, so I'm just gonna unbox this in this video, guys. So I'm so excited to share this wonderful moment, guys. So in today's video I'm just going to tell you guys how this mic works, the content of this mic, and how you can actually use it to enhance your audio quality. So this mic, it has a port for iPhone, it has a port for Type-C, and it has a port for not like normal Android cord, not Type-C. Yeah, you know what I mean. And so this is how the mic is. The mic is plug and play. That's one of the features. Then you can use this, you can make use of this mic 20 meters away from it, and you can still be talking and it will sound very well. So it has a precise radio, and it has a clear timbre. It's highly sensitive, guys, and it's wildly compatible. So I'm just gonna unbox this mic so that you guys see what the inside looks like. So I'm so excited, guys, because I'm taking my content creation journey to a next level, and I'm very excited, guys. So this is what the inside looks like. I will not really bend it so that none of this thing will fall off. So this is what the inside looks like. So I'm just gonna bring it out one by one and talk to you guys about it. So this for iPhone, you can see the mouth for those that are using iPhone. So this one is actually for iPhone users. So for an iPhone user to make use of this, you have to plug it from your iPhone. You have to just plug it like this for you to make use of it. You can see it. So you plug it like this, then you just go ahead, and this phone is not iPhone, it's actually Samsung. So assuming I'm using iPhone, I'll just go ahead and plug it to my phone, and I'm just gonna make use of that. So that's that for that. So this one is for normal Android cord. You can see this, you can see. Then this one is Type-C. Of course, I'm a Type-C user, so this one I'll be making use of. Then this is the almighty mic itself. So this mic is very good in case you are on an interview here. So the one person can actually be making use of one, and the other person can actually be making use of the other one. So I'm just gonna test this mic. Currently I'm not using the mic, I'm just using my natural voice to shoot this video. So I'm just gonna use this mic and shoot the video. So guys, we are going to spot out the difference, I bet it. So let me just connect it to my phone, and this light showing, that means it's connected. It's actually a green light. So guys, this is me shooting a video with the mic. So guys, that's the end of today's video. If you have not watched my video, now you can unbox your ring light. You can just go ahead and watch it, or I'm just going to link it up in those videos. You can just check it up here and you're going to see it. So guys, that's all for this video. So if you find this video helpful, do well to like this video, comment and share, and also do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow this page for more tips like this. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.